Hey, Prof, I'm calm. You make a nice coffee, Prof. Thank you. Wait, I don't make some coffee. What is this? Oh shit.